Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is converting percent to fractions and decimals. To understand this, let's look at some questions. The first one says solve round to two decimal places when necessary, and we have to convert 87% into a fraction and a decimal. Now, whenever a percent is converted into a fraction, in this case you have 87%, all we need to do is divide that percent by 100 and remove the percentage sign. So instead of this percentage sign, this becomes 87 divided by 100. So this is the equivalent fraction of 87%. Now, if we are able to reduce this fraction further, we can do that. But in this case, we see we are unable to do it, so we leave it here as it is. Now, to convert this fraction into a decimal, what we do is we have 87 divided by 100. Whenever we have any number divided by 100, what we do is we write the number, we stand to the extreme right and move two places to the left and bring the decimal sign over here. So this becomes 0.87. Now 87% as a decimal is 0.87 and as a fraction is 87 divided by 100. This can be seen in option C, which is the correct answer. Let's look at the next question. Solve round to two decimal places when necessary. In this question, we have to convert 65% into a fraction. The rule remains the same. 65%, instead of the percent, we remove it and divide it by 100. So this becomes 65 by 100. Now these two numbers can be divided by 5. 5 times 13 is 100. 5 times 20 is 100. Sorry, 5 times 13 is 65 and 5 times 20 is 100. So we get 13 divided by 20. This fraction cannot be reduced further. So we leave it here as it is. Now we had 65% equals to 65 divided by 100. Now we have here divided by 100, so we write the number as it is, stand at the rightmost position, jump two places to the left and place the decimal over here. So this becomes 0.65. So 65% as a decimal is 0.65, while as a fraction is 13 by 20 or 13/20ths, which is the final answer and can be seen in option B. Let's look at the next question. Solve round to two decimal places when necessary. Convert 91% into a fraction and a decimal. 91% as a fraction becomes very simple now. Simply divide by 100. Reduce if possible. This cannot be reduced, so this is a final equivalent fraction of the 91%. Now to move it into a decimal, we have 91 divided by 100. We write the number as it is, position ourselves at the extreme right and move two places to the left and make the dot over here. So this becomes 0.91. So our 91% as a decimal is 0.91, while as a fraction is 91 divided by 100. This is the final answer, which can be seen in option A. I hope converting percent to fractions and decimal is not difficult anymore. Thank you and bye bye.